On this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to download and install AVG free antivirus protection. The first thing you do is go to the internet browser. Type in avg.com. Select PC and scroll down until you see AVG AntiVirus free. Once you come to this screen, scroll down and be sure that you select the free download. Now it has transferred us to download.com. Go ahead and select the download now. Then select Run. Once AVG has opened up, you can now exit the internet browser. As you can tell, it's getting the setup for the installation ready. Once you get to this menu, go ahead and select Next, or choose what type of language you're looking for. Go ahead and view the wonderful agreements and accept them. Be sure again if you want to select the basic protections. If you select the full protection, you may have to pay later on. We have a feature on here that you can have an express installation or you can have the custom installation. We're just going to go ahead and select express installation. Right now, it is downloading the latest features and the updates. It may take a few minutes for it to download. Once the download has completed, it will start installing. As you can tell, different types of configurations and messages are popping up as the installation is happening. Once the installation is complete, you will get this screen. You have the option right here if you want to have help and improvement on there. You also have the feature if you want to register your product. I'm just going to go ahead and press finish. And here you have it. You have now have the AVG antivirus free installed. Thank you for watching.